And because we did just have Star Wars Day not too long ago, we had lots of Star Wars related tech news. This one popped up as well, and I thought I'd share the celebration of Star Wars Day at the Angels Ballpark. It was amazing. It was a cool drone show that they put on to celebrate Star Wars Day, and it's got to be one of the best drone shows I've ever seen, especially because of its use of animated lightsabers.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope. Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi.
This thing is cool and crazy. Imagine if you could run faster or hike longer without needing to train harder. The X1 Exoskeleton claims it can do just that, using AI to predict your leg movements ahead of time to give you assistance when you need it. The X1 is designed by a Chinese company called DNSYS, which previously made exoskeletons for medical research. This is a consumer version, however, that's currently available on Kickstarter, starting at only $600. It weighs only 3.5 pounds and folds up neatly so that you can carry it in a backpack. There's also a workout mode, so you could use it for resistance training or as a rehabilitation tool. In the video, you can check out the X1 performance tests. They compare it with and without exoskeletons. One is walking up a steep hill in San Francisco. The X1's assistance is more subtle than you might expect. It has 6 user-selectable levels, but even on the maximum level, it doesn't feel like a robot is moving your legs. You still need to put in effort when walking or running, just like you do on most e-bikes when cycling, but you don't feel as fatigued after you've finished your workout, as the assistant kicks in only when you need it. The company says we train a deep learning system with tons of walking data, like joint angles and IMU sensors. The X1 predicts your movement 1 second ahead of time, then it helps your leg move in the predicted direction, which is when you feel the force. It's an interesting concept. It apparently does work pretty well. However, it doesn't give you superhuman abilities. However, I would say for a $600 price tag, a little assistance might be a good thing. Check out this chaotic gameplay and more in the trailer for Rocket Rumble. It's an upcoming space race beat-em-up party game that's coming to Steam, PS5, and Xbox very soon. Experience the first ever open world Star Wars game, set between the events of The Empire Strikes Back and Return of the Jedi. Star Wars Outlaws is coming to PS5 sometime in August.
Each of you represents some of the most powerful criminal organizations in the galaxy. Pikes, Crimson Dawn, Hutts. It's a golden age for the underworld.
The Empire controls every corner of the galaxy, but they're distracted by a rebellion that won't quit.
It's an opportunity to make millions.
Kay Vess, the underworld's favorite new scoundrel. We meet at last.
What do you want?
Zarek Besh. They're new, rich, and lethal. You crossed their boss Sliro, and now he wants you gone. Rob his fortune and buy your freedom.
This job, it's a death wish. I'm in.
Out here, you live and die by your reputation. You want to survive? Know the players.
You're new to this world.
What's your problem?
Come back when you're not.
Jabba, right? Look, don't try anything. I got a whole crew surrounding the... Okay, we're skipping that part.
For about as long as I can remember, it's just been me and Nix. Doing what we have to survive. This job is my one shot at freedom. But if we're gonna pull this off, we need the right crew. And the right ship. Yes! Hang on.
I hire you because you are one of the best hunters in the Outer Rim.
She's more connected than you let on, Sliro. Bess is mixed up in something bigger.
The Outer Rim is a dangerous place. Everyone is fighting for their piece of the galaxy. But all I want is to live free. So I'm gonna risk it all. Hold on, Nick!
Star Wars Outlaws, pre-order available now.